Hello there, you just saw my 3D printer MARS rover. I built that using ESP8266 and L293D motor driver. We can control it using remote and mobile phone. We can monitor the attached sensor data on smartphone and remote. So in this video, I'm showing how I made this MARS rover. So let's get started the video. First thing is the electronics. I tested the circuit using Node MCU. Then to decrease the size and cost, I decided to use the ESP8266 standalone circuit. To make the building easy, I made a PCB using EDISON. I also added a battery charging circuit and 2 NeoPixels to the PCB. The PCB looks something like this after designing. Then I downloaded the Gerber files for PCB fabrication. To fabricate the PCBs, I went to JLCPCB.com. They are the best PCB manufacturers from China and they offer only $2 for 5 PCBs and their PCB assembly starts from $0. To order, click on Order Now and upload the Gerber files. After uploading, we can select the color, quantity, thickness, etc. Then we can select the shipping method and we can place the order. After 2 weeks, I received the PCBs from JLCPCB. Here is the PCB. The quality is amazing as always. Now I grabbed all components and I started the soldering job. I started with the SMT components and then I soldered the through-hole components. After 30 minutes, I finished the soldering. This is the finished PCB. Now I need to build the body. For that, first I downloaded some models from Thingiverse and I modified it for my rover using Tinkercad. I used my Flash 4 Adventurer 5M Pro for printing the models. I used PETG filament for the wheels and TPU filament for the tires. Rest I printed with normal PLA. And my 5M Pro is great for handling multiple materials. If you don't have a 3D printer, you can order the 3D printer parts from me. Check the description for that. Now I assembled the rover just like this. We need 6 motors for the wheels. Just follow the video if you are planning to build similar. After assembling the rover, I attached the PCB and battery to the rover. You can add any sensor to the circuit. Here I added a DF robot light sensor to the circuit. To control the robot, I am using my previously built ESP remote. You can find that tutorial from my channel. This uses ESP Now communication. After uploading the code, you can see the working. You can download all the files and you can purchase all the components from my site. Links are given in the video description. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from my video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. That's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.